Okay, good morning, everyone. How are you today? Okay, today we are going to have a grammar revision, a grammar final revision, and I will start. So we have something to remember first before we start the revision. First of all, the verb to be. I use the verb to be when I'm describing people, things, and animals. People, things, and animals. So when I'm describing people, things, and animals, I will use verb to be. I will use verb to be. And who can tell me what is the meaning of verb to be, or what are the verb to be verbs? So yes, am, is, are. Yes, excellent, Ya Omar. So the verb to be, am, and is, and are. Let's have some examples about verb to be. For example, okay, for example, look at number 1. My father is a doctor. My father equal he, so it takes is. My father is a doctor. Number 2, I am a clever student. Because, so here I am describing the student, or the student is describing himself. I am a clever student. I takes am. I takes am. Okay. So let's see number 3. Cats are nice pets. Cats are nice pets. So I am describing the cats, and I will say cats are. Cats means they. Cats equal they. So they takes are. Cats are nice pets. Number 4, our house is big. Our house equals what? Our house equals it. So it will take is. It will take is. So here in the verb to be, I will use is, am, and are. Okay? So if we want to make negative, what should I do? I should put not after am, and after is, and after are. So I will put not after am, is, are. Let's see the first example. He is not a teacher. He is not a teacher. Because I have he, so I will put what? I will put is after he. Okay, so, and I want to make negative equal not, so I will put not after is. Okay, let's see the second one. I am not in primary 1. I am not in primary 1. Okay, so I will put what? I will put not after am. I will put not after am. Okay, let's see number 3. They are not wild. They are not wild. So here I will put not after or, because they takes or, and I will put not after or. Let's see the last one. It is not small. It is not small. Again, I will put not what? I will put not after is. So again, in the negative, in the verb to be negative, I will put not after am, is, or. This is clear? This is clear? Okay, let's see next. Now, if I want to make question, how I form question? How do we form question? Okay, for forming question, I will put verb to be at the beginning, then I will put the subject, then I will put the subject. So let's see the example here. Okay, look at the first one. Is she a kind girl? Is she a kind girl? Here I put the verb to be in the beginning and then the subject. Is she? Is she? Okay, if you look at number 2, are they happy? So here I will put are first and then they. The verb to be first in the beginning and then I will put the subject. Okay, number 3, is the house big? Is the house big? Okay, here again I put verb to be in the beginning and then the subject, which is the house. So this is the forming question. Let's see next page. Okay, present simple. We took the present simple before. Let's see, when do we use the present simple? I use the present simple to talk about habits, something I do, or regular actions like something I do every day, for example, or every week, and so on. So when I am talking about habits, like I wash my face every morning, or regular actions, I go to school every day. So when I am talking about these actions, I will use the present simple. Okay, let's see these examples. Look at example number 1. I, of course. Do you remember when I put, how can I form this verb, the present simple? Yes, with I, they, we, you, I put the verb stem. But with he, she, it, what should I do? Who can tell me? With he, she, it, in the present simple, with he, she, it, I will put S or ES or IES. Okay, let's see the first example. I get up early every morning. I get up early every morning. Okay, this is the verb. I get up. Okay, and this is the key word, every morning. Okay, number 2, we eat lunch in the afternoon. We eat lunch in the afternoon. Where is the verb? Yes, the verb which is in blue. We eat lunch in the afternoon. So of course, in the afternoon is the key word. Gina and Sally always play tennis. Where is the verb here? The verb is play. The verb is play, and the key word is always. Okay, now if I want to make these verbs in negative, okay, so let's see number 1. I get up early in the every morning. So if I want to say or put negative, what should I do? I will put what? With I and they and we. I, they, we, I will put don't. Do will take not, do not. And then after don't, I will put verb stem. I don't go to school on Friday. We don't have exams in summer. They don't play football, for example. So with I, we, they, I will put don't. Okay, next. For these 4 and 5 and 6 examples, you have here he, she, it. So with he, she, it, I will put S or ES or IES. Let's see example number 4. He helps his father in the weekend. Look here, I will add S to the verb with he. Aya often cooks delicious food. So again, the verb here has S because Aya equals she. The sun rises from the east. So again, here the sun equals it. So I will put S to the verb. Okay, let's see the negative. With he, she, and it, what should I do? I will put don't or doesn't. Yes, of course, I will put doesn't. With he, she, it, I will put doesn't in the negative. So he doesn't eat salad, and after doesn't, I will put verb stem without S. She does not do her homework. Again, here I put doesn't, and after doesn't, I will put the verb stem and I will omit ES. The dog doesn't fly. Yes, of course, I will put doesn't, and after doesn't, I will put the verb stem. Okay, so let's see next. If I want to form a question, if I want to make a question, I will put do or does at the beginning, then the subject and the main verb, okay? So let's see the example here. If I have, for example, he is the subject, I will put does in the beginning of the question, and then he, and then the main verb, which is here like. Does he like apples? And here I start with do because I have the subject they. Do they play football? So here I will put does with he, she, it, and I will put do with they, you, we. Let's see next page. Here we are talking about future simple. Do you remember the future simple? Which is well. The future simple is well. So when I am talking about prediction or future simple, prediction and future plans, we use will with all pronouns, with I, they, we, you. So when I am talking about prediction and future plans, when I am talking about I will go to the club next week and so on, so I will use the verb will with all pronouns. Let's see the examples here. Let's see number one. Next month. Next month is the keyword, and then I will travel. So will is the future and the travel is verb stem. Next month I will travel to America. She will study English after 2 hours. After 2 hours is the keyword, so I will put will and then the verb stem. Okay? So I think it will rain. The weather is cloudy. So here you have what is the keyword here? Think. Think is the keyword for the future simple, and then I will put will plus the verb stem. So the verb stem will comes with all pronouns, and then the verb stem. And if I want to make negative, I will use won't. Won't means will not. Won't means will not. That means that I will put not after will, then I will add the verb stem. Let's see the example. We won't watch the match tomorrow. Won't here again means what? Means will not. Excellent. Excellent. So won't here means will not. And after will not, I will put the verb stem. Adil won't meet his friends next week. Again, won't means will not. And after will not, I will put the verb stem. Okay, if I want to make a question, to ask a question in the future, I will put will at the beginning, then I will put the subject, and at the end, I will put the main verb, okay? So, let's see the example. Well, I will put well at the beginning of the question, then the subject, then the verb. Well, subject, verb. Will you play with your sister tomorrow? This is the question. Okay. So, as we know, we have two kinds of questions. Yes or no questions and WH question. Yes or no question and the WH question. And you know, if the answer has yes or no, what should I do? I will cross yes or no or not, then begin with the helping verb. If you have is or are or well, okay? For example, do you like school? Because you have you, here you will put do first. Or number two, does she help her mother? I have she, so I must put the helping verb does. Will you travel tomorrow? Here I will start with will, then the subject. Okay, so if we don't have yes or no, if we don't have yes or no in the sentence, or if the answer has a place or time or name or transportation and so on, what should I do? I will use the WH question. So I will cross the answer, then choose the correct question word, where, when, how, who, and so on. Okay? So if we can see example number one, what is your birthday? When is your birthday? Okay? Where is your book? How will Ali go to work tomorrow? And so on. Okay? Now we'll go to the choose. Okay, we will go to choose exercise. Let's answer together. Okay, I want you to write the answer in the chat room, please. Okay. Let's see number 1. The children isn't go to school every day. What is the answer? The children isn't go to school every day. Who can tell me? The children, plural. Children is plural. No, not doesn't. Don't. Excellent. Don't. Yes. The answer don't, because the children, plural. Sarah usually going to the park in the weekend. Sarah equals she. What should I do here? What should I put? Goes. Excellent, ya Muaz. Goes. I will put to the verb es. Thank you. Excellent, ya Nada. Okay, number 3. What, where, how do you go to work? What, where, how do you go to work? How do you go to work? Excellent. How do you go to work? No, not where, not where. How? Thank you, Yazin. Thank you, Amazing. Thank you, Amazing. Thank you, Ahmed. Okay, number 4. Am, is, or your mother a teacher? Your mother equals she. So what do I put here? Number 4. Is, yes, excellent, excellent. Number 5, they will or do meet their friends tomorrow. Tomorrow, you have tomorrow. What should you put here? Well, excellent, ya Muhammad. Excellent, ya Muaz. So I will put well. Number 6, are, am, is, you a new student. A new student equal, no, not are or is, or am. Excellent. Or, yes, because you have you, not is, or because you have you have you. Okay, my cousins. Sorry, you have again number 6. You have here no. Are you a new student? No, I am, or isn't, or am not. Muaz, yes, excellent, ya Muaz. Am not, because I have no, so I must put not. My cousins here, you have this is plural, they. Excellent, ya Adam, excellent. So my cousins is, or am, or are in the club, are. Thank you, ya Ali. So here are. Number 8. Who, what, how is Hiba today? She's very happy today. So you have here happy. How? Excellent, ya Muaz. How is Hiba today? She's very happy today. Okay, Rania, well, does go to work because she's tired. She's tired, so she will go to work or not? Well, go to work because she's tired. Yes, will not, won't. Again, number 10. When, doing, does Amr visit his grandma? When, do, or doing, or does Amr? You have Amr here. Amr equal he. What should I do? Do or does? Excellent, does. Thank you very much. Let's see the next page. Number 11, the cat is biggest, bigger, the biggest than. You have here the word than. What should I do with than? Bigger, excellent, bigger than the mouse. Okay, number 12, how old are you? How old is he? How old he is? He is 10. Is he a Luji? Hassan. Okay, Hassan. Nada, not tallest. What are you saying here? No. We are in number 12. How old is he? Yes, how old is he? Dalia is tallest, the tallest girl in our class. The tallest. Yes, I cannot put tallest only. I must put the tallest, not tallest. Okay. Number 14. Why, what, where do you live? I live in Cairo. Where do you live? Excellent. Number 15. Does he going swimming every week? Does he what? Does he go swimming? Yes, because after does I put verb stem. Will she sleeping early? Yes, verb stem, sleep. The last one, the train is fastest than the car. Number 17, please. The train is faster. Yes, ya Muaz, thank you. Faster than, because I have than, I must put ER. Let's see the next one. Rewrite. Okay, I want you to write the answer in the chat room, please. Sarah visits his friends every week. I want to use tomorrow. Tomorrow. With tomorrow, I should put what? This is future. What should I do? Sarah will visit his friends. Excellent, ya Muaz. Excellent, ya Muaz. Sarah will visit her friends tomorrow. Excellent. I will put well. Thank you, ya Malak. Okay, let's see number 2. The mobile costs 200 LE. Use how much? Can you look? Where is the verb? The verb here is costs. It has S. So what should I do here? I want to use how much, the question. Who can tell me how much what? How much the mobile cost? No. No, how much does the mobile cost? Excellent, ya Adam, 3F. Okay, thank you. So how much does the mobile cost? Okay, next. Number 3. She watches TV with her family. I want to put negative. Negative equals not. So what should I do here? You have the verb here with ES. Yes, excellent, Yaluji. She doesn't watch. She doesn't watch. Thank you, ya Muaz. She doesn't watch TV with her family. Thank you. Number 4, I will study English next week. I want to put negative. Thank you, ya Malak. I want to put negative in number 4. Put not. How can I put not here? I will study English next week. I will not study English. I will not, or I won't. Won't or will not study English next week. Let's see number 5. My grandpa lives in Alexandria. You have here the answer in the beginning of the sentence. What should you do here? You have people. And to ask about people, what should you put? Who? Excellent. Who can tell me? Who lives? Excellent, Yaluji. Who lives? I will not change the verb. Who lives in Alexandria? Who lives in Alexandria? Because the subject comes in the beginning of the sentence. Number 6, Khalid will visit his grandma. Khalid will visit his grandma. I want to put here a question. Grandma. Grandma is people here, but it comes in the end, at the end. So what should I do? I will put who, but who can form a question? Who will Khalid visit? Excellent, ya Adam. Excellent, ya Ali. Okay, excellent, all of you. So who will Khalid visit? Who will Khalid visit? Thank you very much. Number 7. Yes, she's a nurse. Yes, she's a nurse. I want to make a question, but you have yes at the beginning of the sentence. What should you do? Is she a nurse? Excellent, ya Luji. Excellent, ya Adam. Ahmed. Okay, is she a nurse? Number 8. No, we are not happy. I want to make a question again, and you have no in the beginning of the sentence. And you have we. Pay attention. Are you happy? Excellent, ya Omar. Thank you, ya Omar. Are you happy? Okay, number 9. I will play. Okay, excellent, ya Adam. Excellent, ya Dareen. Okay, I will play football in the club. I want to put where? And you have well. You have well. Where will you play football? Excellent, because I am asking about a place. Where will you play football? Thank you very much. Goodbye and see you inshallah next term. Have a nice holiday.